Yo, what's good, bro? What's up, bro?
Hey, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm feeling fine today.
Anyways, did you know what I found on my way home? A Are you sure you're fine?
I'm feeling kinda sick cuz the weather is kinda cold.
I think you got a common cold. You should visit a doctor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I should visit a doctor. Thanks for the advice.
Hope you're feeling well soon. Wait, what am I doing in the first place? Oh yeah, nothing. Why am I doing nothing in the first place?
Hi, Dr. Meows. I'm here for the Tank, what are you doing here?
Oh, nothing. I just helped Dr. Meows for a day. Cuz he's on a break.
So you're gonna be my doctor for now.
Yep, Dr. Meows has taught me how to handle common disease. So it should be fine. If you keep saying about my long face.
No, I'll never do that.
Okay, enough funny business. Now let's check your health.
1,000,000 years later.
How is it, Tank?
It's nothing serious. You just have a common cold.
Oh no, long face, what should I do?
So basically, you just need to drink more water and antihistamines just for. Wait. You know what? I have enough.
Wait, Tank nitrogen monoxide.
Oh my god, a grave. Don't mind me if I use it as a Halloween decorations.
Hi, Tank. I'm back. Where did she go?